Hello everybody. We already learned a magic word, energy. Today I put another question. How to make a car moving? Well, it's easy. I can give a push to it. Well, I can push and it moves. Well, it does not move far. Well, then obviously I cannot push cars in continuation. We need another idea how to move a car. We already learned about potential energy. Well, I told you that if we raise things, we give potential energy to the things. So I can raise a car, bring up to the hill, and let's go. And it goes. Go! It goes. Raise up, lift, and go. It goes. It goes. It goes. It goes. It goes. It is very funny, but little use. How to make the car going uphill? Well, this is a more difficult question. I have another idea. I have an old clock here, which doesn't go. It stopped because it goes with a spring. There is a spring inside. If I charge the spring, then I give the energy to this spring, and the spring can move the arrows. Let's try. I give some energy to the spring, to little more energy. Yes, and it started working. It works. So we can give this energy, which was called elastic energy. Jump up, it jumps up. Jump to the ceiling, and it jumps. So we can put elastic energy inside our car. I have here a very old car, and I can put, well, the key is broken, but I can put some elastic energy to this car and check what happens. Well, you see, it goes almost by itself. Let's charge it a little bit more. And it goes. Well, we could have a car with a spring. It would go. And this is another idea, but not much useful again. I have here more modern cars which go with springs. So I must charge the spring. I charge the spring. I put energy to the spring, and then I can release this energy, pushing here. I push, and well, at it went. Again, I charge the spring, I give the energy to the spring, then I release this energy, and the car goes. Well, funny. I have another car with already spring charge. I push, start, well, and it goes, almost making the whole loop. Let's try again. Charge, squeeze, and it doesn't go perfectly. Well, it doesn't go perfectly because it has not quite enough energy. I need to put more energy. I have a loop like this into which I can give more energy. I have these two cylinders. I raise them, I give them energy, and then can go down. Well, perfectly. Again, down perfectly. But if I do not give enough energy, if I give less energy like this, well, it still made a loop, but now it's not able to make a loop. We need to give enough energy. So we learned that we can use a push to move a car, we can use a spring to move a car. I have another car which goes with another kind of spring. You see, this is just a piece of rubber. I charge again the car, charge, working, and now it goes. Charge again, attack the spring, charge, and then it goes by itself. It doesn't go by itself. It goes because I put energy. I have another car like this without a spring, but with a balloon. I will put some air inside the balloon. Balloon is elastic, so I could say I put energy inside this balloon again, and it goes! It went down. Well, I pushed energy inside the balloon. Obviously, we cannot blow balloons, we cannot charge springs, we need a better way to move cars. And here I have a car which goes downhill, but it goes also uphill. Start, let's goes up, and around, down, and again the whole loop, and go, rise up, potential energy, go down, losing potential energy, but it moves in continuation, a kind of miracle. Yeah, well, a kind of miracle. It's not a miracle, you know that in physics, in nature, we don't have miracles. There is a battery inside. There is simply a battery inside this car. If I then switch on the battery, it moves. So this is electricity which moves these cars. So electricity can move cars. I have two penguins which like this playing, climbing up the stairs, gaining potential energy, and then, let's look, gaining energy step by step, go, and down, no problems going down by themselves. Well, it's a little bit lazy, and this seems broken. He seems broken. Well, obviously the wheel below is broken, but she goes pretty well down. Again, not be lazy. Up. We change the potential energy into kinetic energy. Well, but I have a cable behind, and I have a current supplier behind. So I am using electricity from the net to move these penguins. This is again not completely independent. So I have another idea. I have a similar stairs, but now I have a photovoltaic cell and a strong old source of light. If I go with the cell close to the light, well, it starts moving. You see, it starts moving. It's not very perfect because we have some friction, but anyhow, you see the ball rising, and then ball goes down, like with these penguins. But penguins, I needed the electricity from the net. Here I need not net. I'm using photovoltaic cells. So what would be future of our cars? Electric cars, but the electricity from photovoltaic cells. So you see, very simply speaking about cars, we went to quite good idea what would be the cars of the future. Thank you very much.